Hey everybody, Fred McKinnon here with Ecom Catalyst. If you're an Amazon seller, I want to ask you a very important question. How would you like to spend less money in fees to Amazon? How would you like to take some of that money that Amazon collects from you and put it right back into your pocket where it belongs? Now, I don't know a seller who doesn't get excited about that. So we're going to talk about that in this video. But real quick, I just want to back up and introduce myself again. Fred McKinnon, the founder of Ecom Catalyst at ecomcatalyst.com. We're a full service Amazon e-commerce marketing agency. We exist to be the catalyst, the partner to help your brand grow and scale on Amazon and other e-commerce marketing platforms. Now, what I'm talking about specifically is saving money on the Amazon referral fee, also called the commission, all right? Now, this is the money that Amazon takes off the top of everything you sell. It's a commission that they take every time you sell a product on their platform. It's typically on average around 15%. So for example, if you sell a $100 widget on Amazon and their referral fee commission is 15%, then out of that 100, they're taking 15 bucks right away, sticking it in their bank account. That's why Jeff Bezos and all the folks at Amazon are enjoying record profits. I want to talk to you about getting some of that money back into your account. Now, it's very important that you understand that this applies only if you have a registered brand on Amazon. That means you have your own brand, a trademark, you've registered at brandregistry.amazon.com, okay? That's the way you qualify for this thing called the brand referral bonus. If you're a drop shipper, if you're out there reselling someone else's third-party products, if you're doing retail or online arbitrage, this doesn't apply to you. It only applies to registered brands. Now, if you're a seller and you're selling your own products, but your brand is not registered yet, we can help you with that. Reach out to us at ecomcatalyst.com. Okay, so the brand referral bonus is a bonus that Amazon pays to you when you send outside traffic to Amazon and you have a purchase. Okay, so the outside traffic is coming through maybe your email list, maybe your social media marketing, maybe you have a YouTube channel and you're talking about your products and you link to them. You should never, ever, ever copy and paste the link to your Amazon product detail page. We often call that the PDP, product detail page, or to your Amazon brand store and just link to it without using Amazon attribution links, which are the thing that's required to get the brand referral bonus. Now, in talking about the brand referral bonus, I want to share my screen because that bonus, the percentage that you get varies by category. As you can see here, that category changes. The commission changes based on what category you may be in. For example, electronics accessories, if you use an Amazon attribution link with your referral tag and you use that to drive external traffic to your electronics accessories and someone purchases it, then you can get up to 10% of the portion of the total sales price up to $100, 5% for any portion greater than that. And a lot of these categories have varying commission structures, but on average, it's around 10%, something like that, okay? Now, to get there, you have to use Amazon attribution links, and that's what we're gonna talk about today. You can't just copy and paste and link to Amazon to get the brand referral bonus. And the way that brand referral bonus is important because this is how you get that money back, all right? Let's say that it's 10%. So in the earlier example, I said that you sell a $100 widget and Amazon's referral fee, their commission is 15%. So they take 15% or $15 off the top. But now let's say that you send traffic to Amazon using an attribution link. And let's say that you talked about it on your Instagram reel and on your social media, and you had like a swipe up, and in that swipe up, the destination URL is your Amazon attribution link, and it takes them to your brand store, to your brand page. When they use that link and they click on it, and they go and they buy, and let's say that the brand referral bonus is 10%, okay? When they buy that $100 widget, then you get a 10% brand referral bonus, which is $10. And that goes as a credit directly against those referral fees that you're paying. So this literally cuts the referral fee down. It literally puts that money back in your pocket. So to do this, to qualify to get the brand referral bonus, you have to use attribution links. And that's what I'm gonna show you in the video today. I'm gonna show you exactly kind of how to go about building those out. So we're gonna switch over here and click on generate referral tags. Now, when I do that, if you're already in your Amazon account, the way you get here is you just go to your advertising console. Okay, go to the campaign center. And when you're in the campaign center, you just want to come up here and come down to measurement reporting and then click on Amazon attribution. And as you can see, it will load this page. Okay, from here, it's pretty easy. The first thing you have to do is create a campaign. Let's say, for example, I'm going to walk you through one that we're doing for one of our clients, PB2 Foods. They have one of the best-selling powdered peanut butter products on Amazon. And this week right now that I'm recording it is the week of Amazon's big spring sale. So the folks at PB2 really want to promote this with their email list, with their social media, with their Instagram and their Facebook and Pinterest and things like that. So we want to build out campaigns so that their marketing team can drive external traffic to Amazon so that they can get this brand referral bonus. All right, so we're going to start simply by clicking on Create Campaign. I like to do it manually. If you have a huge campaign, you can learn to do it in bulk, but I'll click Create manually. And then down here, I'm going to say Big Spring Sale Promo. And I'm gonna choose the PB2 powdered peanut butter product here, and we'll just add, we'll add all the variations. So there's 4 of them. There's original, there's flavor with cocoa, there's the crunchy and the pure. And you can see these already have the best deal badge because this is actually already running right now as a best deal for Amazon. Okay, ad group name, I'm gonna say Big Spring Sale Promo again. And the publisher, there's lots of publishers here you can choose from, Bing, BuzzFeed, you know, a lot of different people that you might be reaching out to. You can choose whatever you want and you can just add your own, okay? So for example, for publisher, I could say new and I could say Ecom Catalyst Marketing. Channel, I'm gonna say social. And you know, if you wanted to track your links and your conversions separately from your social media campaigns versus your email campaigns, you can do that. So like, let's say that this is for an email campaign. Now, enter the Amazon click-through URL. So for example, I want them to go to this page here, okay? Amazon, the powdered peanut butter here. And so I'm copying this URL and I paste it in here. Okay, now that I've done that, all I have to do is click create. Now, when I click create, I'm going to get the click-through URL and then the attribution tags. Okay, this is the link, and it's very long, mind you, but this is the link that you would use in your email to drive traffic to your Amazon product detail page. Now, I could have just as well made the Amazon brand store the click-through URL. I could have linked to a specific page on where you link to doesn't matter on the click-through URL, but you generate the attribution tag, and this is the link that you would use in your emails. It's like an affiliate link. It's a tracking link that Amazon uses. And so now let me open a brand new tab here, okay? And in my brand new tab, I am going to paste that long Amazon attribution link. And as you can see, when I click on that, it's taking me to the landing page that I had put in there right here. All right, so now that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. And you can come in to the campaign center and you can go into that measurement and reporting, Amazon attribution, and you can see how many times that link was clicked on, and you can see what the revenue was and what the brand referral bonus is. So actually, people click this and you get money back, all right? You can use it for socials. You can use it for anything outside of Amazon. As a brand builder, external traffic is very important, okay? It really helps boost your ranking and you get that money back as a brand referral bonus. So if I put that Amazon attribution link in my email campaign and I send it out to 50,000 people and say, hey, we've got a special deal going on at Amazon. Here's the link. When they click on that, number one, Amazon's tracking this now as external traffic. And number two, when they click on that and buy that for, let's say, $20, then I get a $2 rebate back in the brand referral bonus that goes directly against the commissions, the referral fees that I'm paying to Amazon. That is exactly how Amazon attribution works. That's how you get a brand referral bonus. And that is how you get some of that money that Amazon takes and put it back into your bank account where it applies. This is just one aspect of marketing. This is just one aspect of ranking, one of the many things that we do for our full service account management clients. If you're a brand owner, you're trying to grow and scale on Amazon, we can really help you with that, okay? This is one of so many techniques that we use to help you save money, to grow profitably, and to help you drive traffic. Listen, just running ads on Amazon alone is really not enough anymore. You have to do other creative things, and this is one of them: sending external traffic through your social media, through your email list, through different things like that. That's how you get the brand referral bonus, and it really helps, all right? Now, I always like to thank you for watching, ask you to subscribe to our channel. It means the world to me when you watch and you consume our content. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, like button on this video, share it with your friends. Also, I would love for you to go back and watch the last video that we did earlier this week. It tells you the fastest way to get reviews, okay? One of the many strategies you have to rank, to scale, to sell on Amazon is getting product reviews for your products. Just shot this video about some of the best, fastest ways to get Amazon reviews. Hope you'll take a look at that video as well. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have questions, leave a comment. We'll try to answer every comment on our YouTube videos that we can. And if we can help you, visit ecomcatalyst.com, request a free consultation. We'll see you soon.